I'm the co-founder of Anjali 3D. It's an online 3D printing service. You can upload your 3D files online and you can get the part shipped to your doorstep. So just now we have completed this particular part that was ordered by our customer. It has come out in perfectly good shape. It's an Eiffel Tower, as you can see, and the details on this particular part are just amazing. Printed in PLA with 0.1 mm layer height. So Anjali 3D is equipped with the latest commercial grade 3D printers, Statuses, Fortus line printers, and a lot of other FDM printers depending upon the customer's requirements. So if you have got 3D printing requirement, prototyping, or for your project, log on to anjali3d.com, upload your 3D file, and instantly you would be getting an instant code. The production would take hardly 1 or 2 days depending upon your requirement, and the part would be shipped to your address. Logging off now. This is Pratyush. Make sure you log on to